Toyers. Today we have a portable lightweight dinosaur toy. So this is really a cool toy for imagination play. This is a suitcase, so you can literally fit everything inside of there and store it nicely in your closet when your kid's not using it. It has wheels, so it's portable. So you can see here, there's an attachment right here. And then when this pops off, this turns into a suitcase, a carrying suitcase. So really easy to build it up and take it apart. Okay, so you can start to see that it's becoming a suitcase. So this has a claw. The kids love claws. I mean, I didn't realize that until I had boys, but they will just sit and play and try to play crane for hours. Hours and hours and hours. So that attaches up there to create this PlayStation. So you can see them playing with it here. So we have it all set up. My husband helped him set it up. And there's the crane with the dino eggs. They loved picking up the dino eggs and playing. The two dinosaurs really create imagination play. So really cute setup once it's all set up and everything's in place. You can see the dino eggs. And this is an up-close view of the baby dino in the egg. So cute. The slot for the tree over there to the right. It is a lightweight toy and has lots of pieces. We're just going to be taking it apart just to show you. It has a cute little egg right here, and if you pop it open, it has a dino face. So my son loves that because he's 7 and he loves baby dinosaurs, baby monkeys, babies, and so he loved playing with that. This little sign just easily attaches to the top here, as you can see, and then now we have a handle. So you can start to see the suitcase come together a lot more. And all of this stores nicely inside of there. So you can see inside already we have little toys. There's a dino it comes with. How cute, little dino eggs. Just little toys, things for the kids to play so they can put the dino eggs in this little tray. Logs. Just different toys, things like that.